Travis Air Force Base, and a little bit hazy today. There's the Air Force Base. We're cruising right now. We just passed Travis Air Force Base. I'm on my second solo cross-country flight. I flew today from Livermore Airport northbound to Willows Airport.
November 785, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles southbound, Skyhawk 3800.
What was that altitude again for 785?
3800.
Okay, looking pretty hazy up here at 785.
November 063, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, Skyhawk 3500.
It's very hazy, but I'll look. Cessna 063.
785, maintain at or below 3,500 to get you below traffic.
At or below 3,500 for 785.
November 063, maintain at or above 4,000 to give you clear of traffic.
I will climb 4,000. Cessna 063.
Cheyenne 8 Whiskey Charlie, traffic 10 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, Skyhawk 3,500.
Hey, Whiskey Charlie, looking.
Number 8 Whiskey Charlie, maintain at or above 4,000 for now for traffic until he passes above you. Christian passes below you.
At about 4,000, it was your turn.
Cannot see anything.
785, traffic 2 o'clock, 1 mile westbound to Cheyenne and 3,900 come to 4,000.
Okay, traffic in sight, 785.
November 785, altitude restriction canceled.
Altitude restriction canceled, 785, thanks. And Center 1 Julie Golf checking in, 9,500 level.
November 411, Juliet Golf, Travis approach, land clear.
Travis approach, this is Cessna 063. Does my approaching traffic have me in sight?
November 060 and negative traffic, ban your 6 o'clock now, no factor, altitude restriction canceled.
Okay, thank you so much. Cessna 063.
Hey, Whiskey Charlie, can I continue my descent now?
Affirmative, sir. Altitude restriction canceled, 8 Whiskey Charlie.
Hey, Whiskey Charlie, thank you.
November 785, contact Travis approach 126.6.
26.6, 785, we'll see you.
To give you guys an example,
November 8, Whiskey Charlie, radar service area, fog VFR, contact Uncle Charlie.
Hey, Whiskey Charlie.
reduce throttle a bit here. We're 4,250 feet. We are on a heading of 160, so we're still on a easterly heading, so we should be at 5,000s plus 500, so we'll lose some altitude. I'm gonna turn a little bit away from Mount Diablo, head to some flatlands. Don't really want to climb. Don't really want to fly over mountains with this haze right now, even though I have basically unlimited visibility, but it's very hazy.
Number 1 Juliet Golf, contact NorCal approach 124.32.
24.32, 1 Juliet Golf.
Yeah, too much smoke today. Not a big fan of it. Cruising at 100 knots. Attitude indicators looking good. Carb temp is
Approach, good afternoon.
12 degrees.
Cessna 1361 Mike, level 3,500.
November 1361 Mike, traffic approach, traffic altimeter 3000.
1361 Mike. Traffic approach, Cessna 211 Tango Delta, set 2 miles north of Concord, request flight following approximate area.
November 063, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawking VFR, Cessna 063.
November 211 Tango Delta, traffic approach, traffic altimeter 3000, squawk 5276.
5276, 1 Tango Delta.
So, alright, everything's looking good. Cruising at 100 knots. We're still on an easterly heading. Cruising 3,500. Carb temp is approximately 12 degrees. EGT is looking good. We will adjust our mixture. See if we can increase our temp on the EGT.
Number 2 cleared for the option on 25 right for 85 Mike, and this time we're going to do a straight out departure and then head to Palo Alto.
Alright, and we'll start making our turn towards Livermore here. Slow turn. Heading of 150.
You'll call my date, 85 Mike.
Check the Livermore ATIS.
Number 1, clear to land 35 right for the Tango.
Not catching it yet. A little bit too far away. We'll switch back to tower.
Tower Tower with afternoon, Cessna 7760 Charlie 4500. 15 miles to the north with Sierra, landing Livermore. Cessna 7760 Charlie. Right traffic to far right, 60 Charlie.
Alright, making some adjustments on our once we cross Los Vaqueros Reservoir, we'll make our inbound call to Livermore. Check ATIS again, 192.65 on our radio. And the smoke is horrible today. Pretty sure we're still VFR because I can see about, let's see, at least 15 miles.
And if our runway is 25 right to add 25 left. Notice and runway 7 left tab is out of service. Pad alpha and compass row is closed. Glide slope is out of service. Both devices are in effect. Advise on initial contact information, Sierra.
Sierra. So we'll listen to it one more
Livermore
time.
Tower information, Sierra 23530, wind 270 at 8, visibility 10. Clear, temperature 32, dew point -3, altimeter 3000. Visual approaches in use, landing and departure runway 25 right to add 25 left. Notice airman runway 7 left tab is out of service. Pad alpha and compass row is closed. Glide slope is out of service. further advices are in effect. Advise on initial contact information, Sierra.
Information Sierra. I didn't get the altimeter setting.
Livermore Tower, information Sierra 23530, wind 270 at 8, visibility 10. Clear, temperature 32, dew point -3, altimeter 3000. Visual approaches in use, landing, enterprise runways 25 right and 25 left. Notice airman runway 7 left, Pappy's up.
Alright, so altimeter setting is 30.0.
Cessna 85 Mike, you're number 2 following the Mooney. He is short final. Actually, he's about a half-mile final now. Runway 25 right. Clear for the option. Your straight-out departure on the go is approved. Wind 3006.
Checking for traffic here.
5 Mike, number 2, cleared for 25 right, straight out departure.
Cruising 3,500.
Left, crosswind departure.
Number 8 Mike, left turn approved.
Approved, 8 Mike.
Now we're approximately 10 miles out. I don't know how accurate that is. Might be accurate. Well, we're cruising over Los Vaqueros Reservoir. Los Vaqueros Reservoir. Hard to say for a white boy.
Number 8 Mike, contact Norcal approach 125.35. See ya.
535, thank you so much, 8 Mike.
And we are...
Number 60 Charlie, you can enter right base, runway 25 right.
Right base, 25 right, 60 Charlie. Visibility is pretty bad. Here due to smoke, over the 5 miles. It's a layer of smoke at 5,000 feet.
And they're indicating 100 knots.
Livermore Tower, Mar 82, hold short runway 25 right, ready to take off.
180 Tango Papa, where do you park? Winnie 0 Tango Papa, where do you park? Marmon 82, Livermore Tower, hold short of runway 25 right, landing traffic.
Short, landing traffic, Mar 82.
Marmon 82, reback, hold short runway 25 right.
Hold short runway 25 right, Mar 82.
Cessna 60 Charlie, I'm not sure if I blocked you or not. Traffic just behind you and to the right, 3,800 indicated, type on number.
Yeah, I see it on the DSB, but I don't have visual of him. 60 Charlie.
Roger that. Looks like you're just beating him out a little bit for speed. He's falling behind you.
Livermore Tower, Cessna 66063, inbound with Sierra at Brushy Peak.
Cessna 66063, Livermore Tower, I believe OSC over Los Vaqueros. Traffic ahead and to your left, 3,600 indicated. It's a Cessna to follow. Do you have insight?
I have traffic in sight, inbound, Cessna 063.
Cessna 063, follow that traffic and a right base, runway 25 right.
Right base, 25 right, Cessna 063. So, I guess I should have said Los Vaqueros, even though basically...
Marmon 82, wind 3105, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff. Execute a left downwind departure.
Down departure, clear takeoff, runway 25 right, Mar 82. Tower 85 Mike, like to amend our departure request to left 45 towards Snow.
Marmon 82, disregard right downwind, or right turnout is approved.
Right downwind, Mar 82.
We'll go full mixture since we're starting to descend. Still in the green, but we can start
Number 85 Mike, second.
pulling back on the...
To amend our departure request to a left 45 towards Snow.
Number 85 Mike, left 45 approved.
5 Mike.
Cessna 60 Charlie, number 1, runway 25 right, clear to land, wind 3005.
Clear to land over right, 60 Charlie.
Cessna 063, number 2, following that traffic, runway 25 right, clear to land, wind 3105.
Clear to land, Cessna 063, 25 right. Still getting used to the radios. looks like a cool spot to hike, Brushy Peak. Might need to check that out sometime. So that guy landing is way ahead of me right now.
Cessna 85 Mike, frequency change approved, yep.
85 Mike, thanks.
So I did notice one problem with my, it's called a dual GPS receiver. And I was having issues with this thing. It wasn't connecting to my iPad, and it was very frustrating. It would connect, disconnect, and there's a little switch where you plug it in, and it needs to be pushed to the right side. That's for Apple products. The left side is for Android. That's why it wasn't working properly. But if anyone has one of these, you're going to want to make sure that that switch is on the right side, otherwise you're just going to have issues. Alright, airport's in sight. We're cruising at 2,000.
2-1 now, Marty 2, what's the departure frequency?
Department 82, remain my frequency for now. The frequency will be 125.35, and they just took the handoff, so you can contact NorCal approach 125.35 CO.
Sure, remain your frequency right now is then probably set 125.35, Marty 82.
Department 82, they just took the handoff, so you can go ahead and contact them on 125.35.
See my brother's house right here.
125.35, Marty 82, thank you, good day.
My brother lives right down here. Very cool. Alright, that traffic has probably landed by now. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm on base basically, so turn final here in a minute. Switch this camera around.
Department 75, ident observed, squawk 1200.
200, sorry, motherfucker.
Cessna 75 Quebec, you're number 1, runway 25 right, clear to land, wind 2904.
Number 1, clear to land, 25 right, 675 Quebec.
Go ahead and roll.
Cessna 063, where do you park?
Northwest ramp, Cessna 063.
Me via Juliet.
Taxi via Juliet, thank you. Cessna 063. Power beat in, off the runway, flaps up.